Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. I hope you all have a fantastic Friday today and that you're ready to begin morning meeting. So to start off, we're going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge of allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Awesome job, boys and girls. You may be seated. Now we are going to go over the days of the week.
Body and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustrated version.
Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to go over the months of the year song.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Awesome job, boys and girls. So now we are going to go over the days of the week. So today, boys and girls, is Friday, February 12, 2021. And can anybody tell me if today we are Friday, what was yesterday? Yes, good job. Yesterday was Thursday. And if today we are Friday, tomorrow will be... Awesome job. Yes, tomorrow will be Saturday. Now we're going to go over the weather. So today's weather is rainy and cold, boys and girls. So for this whole week, the weather is going to be cold. Sometimes it's gonna rain, sometimes it's not. There's even a chance of a little bit of ice or snow. So for these couple of days, we have to stay warm. It is going to be very, very cold outside, so make sure you have your jacket and your boots and your beanie if you're going to go out. If not, stay home because it will be very cold outside. Now for the mood meter. How are you feeling today? I am going to start with myself. For today, I am feeling in the green area, boys and girls. I am feeling calm and just relaxed. I am very happy that today is Friday and that the weekend is ahead of us. I'm super, super calm and relaxed because of that. Now I want to know how you all are feeling today. You all have a 3-day weekend once again. So I am sure most of y'all are super, super happy and excited about that. If by any chance you all are in the red or blue area, I just want to tell you that I hope your day gets better by the end of the day, or that tomorrow you are in the yellow and green area like the rest of us. If you have any trouble or want to talk to anybody, we are always here for you guys. So just let us know. So now we're going to go over the schedule. So the first thing you will do is have breakfast and watch morning meeting. Once you are done with morning meeting and breakfast, you will do personal hygiene. That means you will go to the restroom, wash your hands, brush your teeth, clean your face if you are too sleepy and you need to. Once you are done with personal hygiene, you should be ready to work, and today is Friday, so we will continue to work on IEP goals. So make sure you go to your IEP channel to see what goals are there for you today. Once you are done with IEP goals, have some playtime or free time, boys and girls. This time is for you all to relax, to not think about work, and just for you all to enjoy a little break. Once you have had free time, it's time for story time. Make sure you do your read aloud that we put in Teams, or you can read on your own if you have books at home. Just make sure you have a time for story time, that you read anything, boys and girls. It does not matter as long as you are reading. After story time, be sure to have lunch. I hope you have a delicious hot meal to eat once you are done with lunch. Do some exercise, boys and girls, whether it's a gong noodle or just dance, or whether you run or walk or play tag with your siblings. We just need you up and moving. So here are some activities for you all in case you do not know what to do today. So you can always do the hula hoop. You can play hopscotch. If you have a sibling or somebody to play with, you can play tag. You can also ride a bike. However, right now it's pretty cold, so I would not suggest that. And take a walk. Maybe you can walk around your house because it is a very, very cold outside, so you should not be walking around outside, boys and girls. And that is it for today. If you have any questions on IEP goals or just want to talk to somebody, here are our information. here are all your teachers, and we are always here to help and always here for you all, boys and girls. Once you are done with your IEP lessons, please do not forget to submit them to Teams so we can give you a grade. Once you have done that, you are good to go. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and that you have a wonderful 3-day weekend, boys and girls. We will see you here on Monday. Bye.